How's it going, guys? Welcome to Let's Talk Speed. Today I'm going to be introducing you to the new project. Yes, we've bought a Mk1 Golf, and straight off the bat it needs a lot of work. So you guys would have all seen this, well, somewhat of this car in a previous video where I changed the tail lights. Now, how I got to this car is a company was getting rid of it, so I decided to take it on as a little restoration project, bring it back to its former glory, and maybe daily it. Or if you guys like it enough, if I get enough views and subs, then maybe I could just take out the engine, throw a 1.80 lump in it, boost the out of it, have some fun. But that all depends on you guys and if you really do like it. Alright, let me walk you through what needs to be done. There are quite a few things. I mean, it was a fleet vehicle for a while and it's been used, but mechanically 200%. Now what needs to be done on this car is we got to change these indicator lenses. As you can see, this side is cracked, the other side is fine, but it's also getting a slight crack on it. We need to change these out. I'm thinking stock orange. The headlights could do with replacing. The silver coating inside, it has disappeared on this headlight, and as you can see, condensation inside this headlight, and the silver lining also has disappeared from there. It did have a nice Mark II GTI lip on it, but that was broken off by one of the drivers. Has a scratch, a dent. One of the drivers decided that they're gonna jack it in the wrong place and damage that sill, and the stickers need to come off, give it a nice good polish, maybe a clay bar. That part's dented, need to sand that down, get that painted. Paint came off there and starting to rust. As I said, you'll see me in another video changing the tail lights on this. You can go back and watch that if you like. And the wheels are horribly curved all over. I don't know if we'll be able to get another set or try to refurbish this to the best of our ability. And all four wheel cap centers are missing, so we need to sort that out. There are some little spots of rust there, some rust down this gutter, and down this gutter as well. As for the interior, well, to get there we need to open the door, but famous Mk1 Golf, Citi Golf handle stories. As you can see, I can literally pull this out, but is it not working? So You just reach in, open up, and reveal the filthy interior. Now, for the most part, it is neat underneath all the dirt and grime, but we are going to be cleaning this up, and hopefully it gets back to where it was. Needs a really good clean. It did have another steering cover, and one of the drivers did put this recently. As you can see, the steering is still quite good, just a little bit of wear inside there. The gear lever, well, and the gear boot needs to be changed. Look at all that dirt. Oh yeah, and it is an aircon spec, but unfortunately the aircon did stop working due to a leaking aircon pipe. I don't know if we're gonna try to fix that or what, but I know that it was working and it used to work rather well. Seats have this terrible seat covers on them, but underneath, I don't know if you can notice, it's extremely dirty. Oh my god, I did not see it that bad before, and we are definitely going to give this a clean. I mean, bolster isn't bad, has a little nick there, but it's not torn all the way through. And oh, the best part, and if you can see that, 320,000 kilometers, well, just shy of it. And yes, it is well due for a service, which we are going to be doing in a future video. The back, same story, seat covers, can't get that out right now, but I don't know if you can see the dust in this video. It is a lot. We need to clean those seats. And as for the boot, well, there's a lot of junk and shit in here as well, so need to get rid of that. But there's no rust in that common place, thank goodness for that. And oh, these door pads, door cards, whatever you want to call them, yeah, for the most part it's good, but this has gotten loose, so we're gonna have to try to stick that back. Now, under the bonnet, oh, all four excellent tires, Sumitomo brand, so not too bad. Now look at all of that dirty goodness. Now this is a 1.4 carb. It's a 2004 model, so for the guys that's not from South Africa, yes, we did get a Citi Golf made till 2009 in South Africa, which was excellent. We did get 1.4 carb, 1.4 injection, 1.6 carb, 1.6 injection, and also a very special 1.8i outline and normal. So yeah, as you can see, the caked on dirt there. Looks like the tappet cover gasket needs changing. A lot of seepage there. So yeah, that's just some of the things wrong with the Citi Golf that we are going to bring back to life. Now, if you are going to be enjoying this kind of content, we are going to be servicing, changing the clutch cable, sorting out the paintwork, bringing it back to life, restoring this interior, and just bringing this car all the way back to its original factory beauty. And who knows, if you guys, as I said, like this a lot, and if I get enough subs and more than enough views, I can change the engine in there. As I said, put a lovely 1.8T lump boost out of it, and have a lot of fun with you guys in the passenger seat. So if that's the kind of thing you want, hit that subscribe button, like it, share this video like crazy, and we will get the Citi Golf back on the road, back to its former glory. Thanks for watching.